Baby boy, say I see you. Yep, we waited a day because we wanted to get these going. See them? Just like a little bear. Yes, you look just like a little bear. Yeah. Yep, and there's my wavy curly hair. As you can see right there. It just takes a while to get curlier because he's got to grow in. But you can see it there. Yeah. Not super curly, it's gonna be more like a barrel curl. Yup, gonna be more like a barrel curl, Wilbur. Look at that pretty nose. You are rich color, baby. Rich, rich, rich. See some highlights coming in there? Those are gonna really reflect pretty in the sun. Yeah. Yup, they are. Don't call me pretty. They see you later. I see it for real now, because it got my eyeballs open. Good boy. See ya.